Kuringana na uthuthuria uria utafanitio ni gikundi gitari gia githirikari kia Performance Monitoring for Action, mutumia umwe gatagati ka atatu niwe uhuraga riboti ceceni-ini ya borithi kumana na mbara cia KIMUCII. Akiaria hindi ya kurekereria riboti igimainie na mathina ma KIMUCII, muthuthuria munene wa gikundi giki Professor Peter Gichangi niugite kwa ihinda rĩa mwaka ũmwe ni mathuthurĩtie makona gĩcunjĩ kĩnene kĩa andũ arĩa magũmagĩrwo nĩ mbara cia KIMUCII ni andũ arĩa marĩ na ndũgũ ya kĩwendo, kũrĩa gĩcunjĩ kĩa 71 harĩ igana makoragwo marĩ atumia.
People who have intimate partner violence, that is violence meted by a person who we have emotional connection with within the home setting, also intersects with the sexual violence. About 13% of those individuals also experience some form of sexual violence.
1 out of 3 survivors basically report about the violence that they've received. So basically we are dealing with 2 out of 3 women who are survivors of gender-based violence and are afraid of actually coming forward to receive support.
Gichangi ni ugite mihinga iria icungagiriria atumia aya kwaga kuhura riboti o yothe igie mbara ici ni hamwe na gwitigira guthutukanio, kuguoyohio kana kurutirwo mikana na angi kwaga umenyo wa motungata kana kuria mangihura riboti ta ici.
Okay, there are some shelters, there are hospitals are there is polyclinic within the police units where you can get those services. But people need to be educated to know the existence of those services, then they can be able to use them. Being treated in a friendly manner in those settings, because once you have been victimized, sometimes the language used continues the stigmatization.
Kuhana uguo Gichangi ni endekithitie ceceni cia borithi cigacirithio na motungata ma kwamukagira riboti ciĩgiĩ mbara cia KIMUCII niguo aria matungio mbara ici magakoragwo na ihinda ihuthu riria mandikithia ciĩko ici.
And we don't have to forget men also. I know some men tunatandikwa sana, but unfortunately very few people talk about it. And we equally need to see statistics, because I know mostly statistics say 1 in 3 women face SBV in their homes.
Oho gikundi giki ni kiendekithitie kwambikwo mitaratara mirumu ya gutigirira ciĩko ici ni ciatangikirwo na njira igwete, kugitira ndumiriri cia aria othe mahurite riboti ici, undu umwe na kwaga guthutukania andu aria marahetukira mbara-ini ici.
There is violence in the homes, there is violence in the public, there is violence at workplace. Those are forms of violence. But workplace, many times you have workplace policies on violence, but what policies cover public violence? Those are some of the issues which need to be addressed.